President William Ruto niwaumya mwamulo kwi muvia wa ukui vamwe na ula wa mwaki kuvyaiya itheka Wiw'Ano wonthe kati wa kambuni wa Adani kuma India na muvia wa mwaki wa Ketraco na kiwanza cha ndeke cha Jkia ainenea mbungeni kavinda kalau kumasia uneni wake kwa nthi. Ruto ni wawetakanaki chavikiwa itina wa ukusi wa kweana kuma nthi na mivia ingi yulu wa kambuni wa Adani uyuka itina wa mongami wa Adani Group Gautam Adani kusikatwa na mavitio mawangangania wa silingi mbewa bilioni 300 na ili ni serikali ya nthi ya Amerika. Benjamin Mwaka nukulivote.
Itina wa mumu na ngusanisyo cia ivinda ya sayulu wa wailu wa uthukumu wa kambuni wa Adani thina wake wa kiwanza cha ukui cha Jkia pamwe na waki wa laini imbia nene cionthe cha mwaki wa sitima kwislawiwa na Ketraco. Yu President William Ruto nuongamia deal ona imwe na kambuni wa Adani na iweta vena itumi cionthe kuonanya Adani nilikite kilingisi ne cholusani ota undu nthi ya Amerika iwetie kwi umunthe.
In furtherance of the principles enshrined in Article 10 of the Constitution on transparency and accountability, and based on new information provided by investigative agencies and partner nations, that the procuring agencies within the Ministry of Transport and the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum immediately cancel the ongoing procurement process for the JKIA expansion public-private partnership transaction, as well as because of the information that has been provided to us by partner nations. I have directed agencies within the Ministry of Transport and the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum to immediately cancel the ongoing procurement process for JKI expansion public-private partnership transaction, as well as the recently concluded Ketraco transmission in public partnership and immediately commence the process of onboarding alternative partners, because these are important projects.
President Ruto ndinoneni kwa enembe kwisila mbunge niwalumilia oyo mustali nwambe kukutano lusani na uthukumi huu uithi moko wa kambuni sina masola mo lusani wana manini.
Members, it is also unacceptable for the Houses of Parliament to deny the nation a much needed instrument in the war against corruption by continuing to sabotage the passage of the Conflict of Interest Bill. I implore you, honorable members, to stop dragging your feet on this bill, unless, my friends, there is a conflict of interest in the passing of the conflict of interest legislation.
Inge President William Ruto nwalumilia serikali yake ni kuendea kwithukise kio cha enembe nthino kulungalia sekta cionthe ila meweta sina movaluku.
Rare are the times when leadership is ahead of the people. We are always striving to steer the machinery of state and government to keep pace with the aspirations of our citizens. We have learned through the hard as well as the more customary ways that listening is a full-time occupation of leadership, and that all questions asked by the people must be answered thoroughly and in full. We have learned never to take anything for granted and make every effort to carry all our people along with us in the pursuit of our transformation.
Kilingisi kicha Adani vamwe na muvia nthino wa sekta ya uiti kisomo cha yulu kwambata kwa ngalama ya mikalile vamwe na movaluku maki utongoi nesiendu imwe ila enembe vamwe na ateti maolei methito mayenda President William Ruto ethukisi na kuthinikia kwanzia ya mituki.
To my understanding, the concerns and issues voiced by millions of Kenyans about the state of our nation deserve meaningful engagement, thorough understanding, and thoughtful response. There are discussions about whether leaders understand the pain, hardship, and struggles endured by countless citizens every day as they strive to make ends meet. and whether the government is doing anything about it.
Utumani wa President William Ruto kula kwi NMB na ulo asoma vamya kone mbunge kwi umundi withu othiende ya kunena niwane ya yumbe maseneta ondumwe na NMB kwa evinda ya sa kuma kwi umundi no kana kuthima mawailu na mauvalu kumone ni wa President yulo maundu maito alama ende kumekumbila NMB kwa oyu vilengo wa mauvo kuma vamya kone mbunge ne Musieni Lovi je nita wa Benjamin na mwaka